Did you know AI is quietly transforming the way we search the internet? Let's talk about how ChatGPT and other large language models are changing the game and what that means for you and your brand. Let's start with the numbers. From ChatGPT to Google's AI overviews, the search landscape is shifting fast, like really fast. While it currently makes up just 3% of total search traffic, that's a massive jump, growing over 81% year over year. And leading the pack, you guessed it, ChatGPT. It now owns around 86% of the entire chat-based search market. That's not just hype, that's market dominance. Globally, over 1 billion people are using AI chat tools. And in the US, more than half of adults have already tried an LLM, a stat that would have been unthinkable just a year ago. But what does this mean for you? Let me show you how people are using ChatGPT to search smarter, faster, and deeper than ever before. Let's say you're planning a trip. Instead of Googling 3-day Venice itinerary, you just ask, can you create a 3-day Venice itinerary with food, art, and walkable routes? Boom! You get a personalized plan in seconds. Not 6 tabs, not 5 ads. Or maybe you are researching tools for your team. Instead of scanning 10 articles, just ask, what's the best free CRM for a small remote marketing team? And ChatGPT compares top tools, highlights features, and gives pros and cons instantly. So, what's the catch? Fewer clicks on traditional search results. Google is already rolling out AI overviews, which scrape and summarize content without the user ever clicking through. That means fewer page views, fewer conversions, and SEO strategies built on ranking alone, they're becoming outdated. If you're only chasing short, high-volume keywords, you're gonna disappear. Instead, it's time to pivot. Focus on long-tail and transactional keywords. Target niche, high-intent audiences, and diversify visibility across other channels, especially social, video, and community platforms. At ecommerce, we help brands pivot smartly by targeting long-tail and transactional keywords, creating content tailored for AI summarization, optimizing visibility across other channels, building direct connections through CRM and first-party data strategies. AI search isn't the future, it's happening right now. Whether you are a user or a brand, adapting to this shift isn't optional, it's essential. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you used ChatGPT instead of Google lately? And did it actually save you time? And don't forget, like this video and follow us for more smart marketing strategies.